G'day everyone, Jodie from Stay at Home Mum. Halloween's coming up and I know we don't really celebrate it here in Australia, but I do like the craft and the food. We never do trick-or-treating because, you know, there's horrible people out there. But anyway, today I'm making these cute little spiders out of cupcakes and pretzels and orange Smarties, and also we've got some mandarins and we've just made these cute little Halloween things on. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do them. So just got something the kids would really love as well. So just stick them in like that. Okay, just put them down there. Now it's good to get a little bit of icing. We'll wait till they melt just a little bit because the Smarties will just kind of stick on. Whoop. Put that there. And look, they're so cute. Look at, oh, whoops. So you probably should put a little bit of icing there to stick them on, but you get the point. And see, I've put them in this beautiful plate. Got this from TK Maxx, people. It's so cute. I really love it. Okay, these mandarins. Have a look. They're so cute. So just got, I've got a whiteboard marker. Didn't even get anything fancy. Mandarin, and these would be really cute school lunch boxes. So I'm not particularly good at art, but I'm sort of just do the two triangles. Oh, that's not a good triangle. Maybe another tiny triangle for a nose. What have I done for the mouth? And just like do the, look, I'm not a good drawer, but you get the hint. And it like takes 2 seconds and it looks really cute. So I'm going to be putting these in my boys' lunch boxes over the next couple of weeks. So that's it. It's really simple and really easy, and they look so adorable, and I can't wait to eat these. And, oh, that bloody eye, it's asking to be eaten. All right, see ya.